A feminist writer and mother of 2 sons claims she's done pretending that any men are safe to be around, including her own sons. Jody Allard wrote an op-ed in Role Reboot, a blog that claims to defy outdated assumptions about men and women, in which she wrote that men subconsciously absorb sexism. I know I'm not supposed to cast an entire sex with a single paintbrush. Not all men, I'm sure some readers are thinking and preparing to type or tweet, but if it's impossible for a white person to grow up without adopting racist ideas, simply because of the environment in which they live, how can I expect men not to subconsciously absorb at least some degree of sexism? White people aren't safe and men aren't safe, no matter how much I'd like to assure myself that these things aren't true. But perhaps the most bizarre premise of Allard's feminist rant is when she seemingly predatorializes her own sons, her own flesh and blood, who are indisputably the result of her parenting. I love my sons and I love some individual men. It pains me to say that I don't feel emotionally safe with them, and perhaps never have with a man, but it needs to be said because far too often we are afraid to say it. This is not a reflection of something broken or damaged in me. It is a reflection of the systems we built and our boys absorb. However, this isn't the first time Allard has stirred up controversy. In the heat of the Brock Turner case, the Stanford University student accused of sexually assaulting an intoxicated, unconscious woman, Allard wrote another op-ed in the Washington Post in which she accused her sons of being blind to rape culture.